Hi, and welcome to another Library 101. In today's Library 101, we're going to talk about the Library Bill of Rights. This video will provide a high-level overview of the Library Bill of Rights and why it was created for libraries. The basics. What is it? The Library Bill of Rights was adopted by the American Library Association in 1939 and reaffirmed most recently in 2019. It affirms the idea that libraries are forums of information and ideas, and that the basic policies in the Bill of Rights should guide their service. It is made up of 7 articles that librarians are expected to uphold. However, some librarians have never even heard of them. This is a problem because the Library Bill of Rights basically sets an ethical guideline to library service. Why is it important? The Library Bill of Rights is important because it establishes the basic rights that all library users have and librarians should uphold. The 7 different rights are all based on the First Amendment and the freedom to information. It provides a type of protection for libraries around the United States for decisions that they make in regards to information in the library. It also makes sure that citizens are not denied their right to the library based on things like race, sex, age, etc. So how do libraries use it? Libraries use the Library Bill of Rights to protect their patrons, but also to protect themselves when items are challenged or from the authorities. It provides libraries with an official stance on things like censorship and banning books. They establish guidelines not only for the use of library materials, but also for the use of library spaces. So what are the rights? As previously stated, there are 7 articles in the Library Bill of Rights. I will just list them quickly here, but I won't go into their interpretation because this video would be much too long with that. 1. Books and other library resources should be provided for the interest, information, and enlightenment of all people of the community the library serves. Materials should not be excluded because of the origin, age, background, or views of those contributing to their creation. 2. Libraries should provide materials and information presenting all points of view on current and historical issues. Materials should not be proscribed or removed because of partisan or doctrinal disapproval. 3. Libraries should challenge censorship in the fulfillment of their responsibility to provide information and enlightenment. 4. Libraries should cooperate with all persons and groups concerned with resisting abridgment of free expression and free access to ideas. 5. A person's right to use a library should not be denied or abridged because of origin, age, background, or views. 6. Libraries which make exhibit spaces and meeting rooms available to the public they serve should make such facilities available on an equitable basis, regardless of the beliefs or affiliations of individuals or groups requesting their use. 7. All people, regardless of origin, age, background, or views, possess a right to privacy and confidentiality in their library use. Libraries should advocate for, educate about, and protect people's privacy, safeguarding all library use data, including personally identifiable information. With that, I hope that this video gives you an idea of what the Library Bill of Rights is. If you have any questions, please email the Library Development Department at ndsltrain@nd.gov.